Hey there, welcome to Honest Review Hub. I am so much excited to give a review about the Voisi AI Elite Information, the ultimate AI voice and languages toolkit that has everything you need for your audio projects. Unleash your creativity in any language with for 50+ lifelike voices, voice cloning, translations, voice-to-text, music and more. Only multi-AI voice app featuring all the top AIs, including OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, IBM, Sudo, and more. The only voice toolkit with automation. Convert text to audio, audio to text, audio to audio, and change languages. Voisi is the complete language toolkit, not just text to voice. Multi-AI voice platform for 50+ voices. Automate your voice tasks. Most affordable voice AIs. Create voice-overs and narrations. Create conversations. The only AI voice toolkit that gives you all the top AIs. Save over $1,121 per year when you get Voisi AI toolkit instead of the alternatives. Voisi automation. Create reusable workflows that allow you to do anything with voice and language in seconds, not hours. Automations allow you to combine tasks and do them in one click. Create automation for any task. Automation lets you save hours every day. Saves money on manual hours and VA salaries. Voisi can handle multi-voice, people conversations. Create dramas, engaging conversational stories, and conversational podcasts easily with Voisi. No special formatting needed. Just feed in your conversation script. Clone your voice with just 15 seconds a sample. Works in 17 languages: English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Hindi, etc. Create narrations, conversations, and more. Combine with ready AI voices. Integrates OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, IBM, and other providers of voice generation AIs. Hundreds of unique and different lifelike voices. Find the perfect voice for any project or purpose. Get a live preview of every voice option in the app. No monthly fee or charges payable to the platform that you want to use. Good prices and savings over high-priced end-user deals. Access to platforms, voices, and capabilities that are not available to normal users. High-quality web page translation using top AIs. Created 100% valid HTML. Just the same you feed it. Convert your landing page and host it in any language you want. Transcribe audio to text using OpenAI Whisper or one of the several other AIs. Translate into the language of your choice using all the top AIs available. Generate audio into any language you want with multiple voices and accents. Speak your audio in any accent. Voisi supports foreign voice accents and speech patterns, even exotic ones. Grow your business in any market. Translate ads, podcasts, and create local blogs. Conversations, stories in any language. Show up in unexpected places. Appear in local search engines, directories, and websites with local content. The most affordable voice AI system. Use popular AIs without buying an account or paying subscription. Create music and songs with AI. Make original music and songs with your chosen lyrics using AI. What you can do with Voisi. Convert articles into audio in another language. Make voiceovers in any language for your sales pages, etc. Do all this and more with just one click. Everything you need to create breathtaking content which are mentioned below. Proudly made by Technicforce, a 5 stars company. Claim your Voisi AI Toolkit dominance. Get Voisi AI Toolkit today to create fantastic audio and language content for any business. Voisi AI Elite. One-time special offer only of $37. If you will purchase from the link in the description box, I am going to provide you a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on Instagram.